So how do you negotiate a lower price? What's insider information? Well, it's knowing who the seller is. Why are they selling? How motivated are they to sell? By this, you can put together a personality profile on who the seller is. Guess who else we're going to do that for? The real estate agent. Figure out how many years they have been in the business, how many homes they have sold. What's their personality profile like in their social media? Do you know how this can be helpful? I'm negotiating against you. I know everything about you, but you don't know anything about us because you haven't taken the time to get that information. Guess who's going to win the battle? We are, every time. Also, negotiating a lower price means presenting it in a classic but strong manner. When you present an offer to a seller, make sure your real estate agent presents it in a strong view, but also as a win-win, that the buyers are well qualified and that they can close in 30 days. And of course, that they love the house. So when negotiating, our two biggest takeaways are getting inside information by doing your due diligence, being a detective, and figuring out who you're negotiating against. And second, present your offer as a win-win. Tell them why you're reliable and why you're going to close, and educate them on why you're coming in at the price that you're offering. Make sure, as a home buyer, you know how your agent is presenting the offer and what strategy they're using. That way, you can win the negotiation.